All right, so I got these adjustable rubber billows on Amazon, and I just hooked them up to a bit of aluminum flat bar here, and designed these little rails or clips that this goes into here, so that holds that in place, but I can still get under it to clean. And then I've got these fuzzy weather strips which prevent dust and chips from falling down underneath the bottom of the bed there as it's sliding around. And then actually I printed this little knob here just to cover the sharper edged knob so it didn't get caught on the rubber billows there. And here it is in action. And it's the same deal on the back side. Just a mirror of what I have on the front here. And this just kind of collapses down in here. No problem. Same deal there on the back. The clips on the back of the wall there. What that slides into. Here's a closer look at the fuzzy strips. It just goes all along here. And that's just adhesive down. It just comes, it's an adhesive backed fur strip type of deal. And the next up is to do the Z-axis, and then I have to do the X-axis as well because chips definitely get in there, down in there. Yeah, there you go, see? So I'm not sure how I'll do those ones yet, but for now, the Y-axis is covered. Oh, and I also printed these little plastic screws with a little slot in the top and a taper on the bottom. I'll include a link to these if you want the 3D model to print them yourself. But they just go right into the holes here. They're M6 holes, and then they just screw right in. Just like that. And now no chips and dust get down through those holes to the rails and ball screw below.